EBIX cash news alerts coming in. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has now set up a three-member panel to help resolve the ongoing war of words and issues between Punjab's Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh as well as his former cabinet colleague, that is Navjot Singh Sidhu. Remember, there has been an ongoing war of words between them, and now this entire amidst open war of words that is happening, we have that the panel will be comprising of leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, that is Mallikarjun Kharge, the ICC's General Secretary in charge for Punjab Affairs, Harish Rawat, and JP Agrawal as well. Let me go across to my colleague Amandeep joining us over the phone line. Amandeep, now steps being taken by Congress President Sonia Gandhi, who has now set up a three-member panel to resolve differences among leaders. Please share more.
Exactly, Richa. This is the first time that when the Gandhi family intervened into the issue of Sidhu versus Captain, just because it had...
Alright, we'll try to fix that audio with Amandeep, but this is the latest EBIX cash news alerts coming in of the Congress President, in fact, setting up a three-member panel to resolve its differences among leaders in Punjab amid an open war of words that is being witnessed between Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and the former cabinet colleague, that is Navjot Singh Sidhu. Meanwhile, the panel will be comprising of leaders of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, as well as the AICC General Secretary in charge of Punjab Affairs, Harish Rawat, and JP Agrawal as well. Going back to my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, yes, please continue.
Exactly, Richa. This is the first time when the Gandhi family has intervened into the issue, and they have constituted a panel. Just because Sidhu versus Captain has now impacted the Punjab Congress just before 2022 assembly elections. So Congress doesn't want to lose their ground on this issue. So they have constituted a panel. And in fact, Harish Rawat is the most important person who will be revealing the stock of the situation, just because he's the one who actually managed and negotiated among Captain and Sidhu as well. He had arranged a lunch also to resolve the issues among both, just because since 2019, when the Sidhu left his cabinet ministry, he always come up against the Captain government and raising certain issues, and met several times to party high command to intervene into the issue. But now this three-member panel will decide what will happen further. Just because Harish Rawat had already cleared one point, that Sunil Jakhar, who is the Congress president of Punjab, he will not be dislocated from his designation. So somewhere down the line, it is actually very clear that Sidhu is not going to get the Punjab president of Congress party. This post is not for Sidhu, and Sunil Jakhar will sustain this post. Harish Rawat is the one who was earlier sent to the Punjab as an in charge of affairs, political affairs, to just resolve this entire issue. He was dedicatedly sent to resolve this entire issue. Neither the Captain nor the Sidhu, both are not coming down and even having a certain round of talks for the negotiations, but nothing has come out. So now the party high command will decide who would be the face of Punjab in 2022 elections, either Sidhu or Captain, just because both have chosen different lines, and they have also divided certain MLAs in the Punjab as well. Sidhu's clan is holding a separate meeting, and even on the other side, the Captain's lobby is revealing and issuing the statements against the Sidhu that party high command should take the action. So now let's wait and watch what kind of report will be prepared by this panel and against whom. Yes, Richa.
Alright, thank you so much, Amandeep, for getting us that update. We'll wait and see what really comes out of this new panel and whether or not they will be resolving the conflicts between the two or not.